Hi babes, it's me, Shannon for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. When last we met, it was on Mondays. We McGrath, and I did this look right here. Now I'm going to deconstruct this look and rebuild it using some of Pat's other palettes in collaboration with Huetopian Dream. BrownGirlBella. So the first one I'm going to do a matchup with, and we're going to take this look off. I'm going to put another look on, is Fleur Fantasia. So stick around. We're going to deconstruct and reconstruct a Huetopian Dream palette extension using Fleur Fantasia. Stay with us. Hello babes, so we're back and I have taken off my eye look. I know, I'm sad too. But we're going to rebuild it using Fleur Fantasia, which is one of Pat's 4-pan that she had released, I believe, over the holidays last year. So this is Fleur Fantasia. Bring it in close so you can see. And now with our Huetopian Dream, this is what I'm talking about. This is a beautiful extension of this Huetopian Dream palette. I'm loving it. All right, so the shades that I wanted to do for this is I definitely want to use this all over the lid, but with the intensifies all over the lid. So let's do that. I love this wand. This balm goes over so beautifully. I'm going to try to do both at the same time. I was wondering before if it maybe dries out, but let's play and see. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm going to use my Jumbo Blender by Sonia G, and I'm going to go into Huetopian, which is this one. So we're going to put this purplish blue lavender color all over the lid. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Or no? It's beautiful. So I'm gonna take now the shade. Oh, the shade of it all. Here it is. Like, where's the shade names? Okay, here's the shade names. So now I'm gonna use this one right on top. This is Astral Venetian Orchid. And I'm going to use that same Jumbo Blender. Load up my brush because I'm going to tap and pull down to make sure all of that dreaminess gets on my lid. And I see a few falling down, but I don't care because I can wipe that away really easily. So let's brush those. Ooh. Yeah, I need a wipe. Okay. Alright, using my white, I brushed most of that away. I'm going to dip back into Fleur Fantasia because I'm going to grab this color right here with my pencil brush. And we're going to put that right in the corner. And with my rougher number 28 brush, I'm going to go into Shockwave, which is that coral, beautiful pop of color there. And I know this is going to seem weird, but I'm going to throw it under here. Throw it under here, and then I'm going to take Cosmic Bloom, the shade next to Shockwave, and we're going to punch that in under the lower lash line. How we liking it? How we liking it? And then on this eye, let's see, we're going to use Iridescent Orchid. To kind of combat the lavender blue on this side. So this is Venetian Orchid. I'm sorry, Iridescent Orchid. We're putting that all over the eye. And this is from her 4-pan. And again, you see that foily sparkle I'm getting. That's amazing. And then on top of that, I'm going to go with the Astral Amethyst Moon, wiping off the same brush and using that same tap and pull motion. I'm going to focus it now right in the center of the eye. And now let's put on our lashes. And so we keep the same theme. I'm gonna go lavender blue under here. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go Skin Show Nude Ecstasy. Following up with some mascara under the lash line for the lower lashes. Throwing on some blush in Nymphette. Gonna grab some concealer, just put some back underneath my eye. Just to clean up a little bit underneath and to add some brightness. All right, added some brightness back, and now let's throw on some lip gloss. I'm gonna use ColourPop's BFF4. There we go. And Earth Angel by Mother Pat for lip gloss. There we go, all done. I hope you enjoyed this. This was a great matchup between the new Huetopian Mothership number 9. I'll hold it up for you again. And this is the Fleur Fantasia from her 4-pan series that she released this past holiday season. So there we go. There it is. I hope you enjoyed this matchup. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. Until we meet again, you have now been Bellafied.